Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to track time in ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to track time in ClickUp, you just simply have to open your ClickUp application at first, and after opening the ClickUp application, you will get to see this more option at the bottom right corner. Just simply tap into that option and then you will directly get the option of track time into here. Just simply tap that track time option and then you will get the three options into here. First one is timer and the second one is manual and third one is range. You can set up other things into here too, such as enter a note and label and currency. And from this section you can easily track time of your projects or tasks. By following this very easy steps, you can also track your time in ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.